Hello friends, welcome you in this video tutorial. This video is continuation of my previous video tutorial. In previous video tutorial I have shown you how to set up SSL on Tomcat. So this is the continuation of that video itself. Why SSL setup is required? The primary reason why SSL is used to keep sensitive information sent across the internet encrypted so that only the intended recipient can understand it. This is important because the information you send on the internet is passed from computer to computer to get the destination server. Any computer in between you and the server can see your credit card numbers, username, password and other sensitive information. If it is not encrypted with SSL certificate, then when an SSL certificate is used, the information becomes unreachable to everyone except for the server. If you are sending the information to, this protects it from the hackers and identity thieves. So that's why to secure our website we required SSL setup for our website. Suppose if you are a owner of any website and that website basically deals with the financial website, and some customers comes to your website and they enter some sensitive information like credit card information, username, password, then you build your customer confidence by providing some SSL certificate to your website so that they can trust to your website and they can purchase anything from your website. So that's the reason we need to set up SSL for our website. So there are some SSL provider organizations that already I have discussed in the previous video tutorial. So here basically we have used a tool which comes with the JDK bundle itself, that is called key tool, which is present in the bin directory itself. And this tool basically used for the R&D, or you can say demo or testing purposes. This is not recommended for the production environment. So to set up SSL key using key tool, this is the command I had typed on command prompt, and once you type this command on the command prompt and you press enter, then that is going to ask SSL, enter SSL certificate key password, and then some set of questions you need to specify those. You need to supply answer for the question, and finally SSL certificates gets created on a specified location. If you do not specify the location, then in that case SSL is going to create in the home location of logged in user itself. So here I had a specified location, so my SSL certificate has been created in the eDirectory SSL folder itself. And once you create this SSL certificate, then this location you need to specify in your Tomcat server folder itself. So here I have set up my SSL certificate here, and when you configure SSL certificate in Tomcat, then request will go to the HTTPS protocol instead of HTTP. So this tag is already there, so just I copied out of this commented portion, and only two things I have added over here. So in previous tutorial I have told you, recently SSL is renamed as TLS. So here you can see the TLS, and protocol is HTTPS itself, and here you need to specify key store file, and this is the location of my SSL certificate, and you need to specify key store password as well. So while creating the SSL certificate you would have provided SSL password, so SSL certificate password, so that password I have specified, and we need to set SSL for SSL certificate for this website. So this every web-based application has a deployment descriptor. So inside the deployment descriptor, uh, you need to provide this tag, security constraint tag, and here you need to specify web resource collection. Inside the web resource collection, web resource name, and that is nothing but your project name itself. And here I have specified the URL pattern /star. So all requests will be redirected from HTTP to HTTPS. And inside security constraint, we have a tag like user data constraint, and this tag as a sub tag is called transport guarantee, and here you need to specify confidential. So only these are the steps you will have to keep in mind to set up SSL certificate in Tomcat. And if I run this application, so this is already in running mode. So if I copy this URL and go to here on website, then even though if I type localhost colon, if I copy this location, I can show you what is the complete URL. So URL is http://localhost 8080 and web app. As we know that this port is reserved for the HTTP. When I press enter, then my this will be redirected to the HTTPS itself. So look at here, now this is redirected to HTTPS. so this is showing the strikeout. So because this is not trusted SSL certificate, because we have used JDK one. So there are some, SSL provided companies, if you buy those SSL certificates from those companies and you set up, then this warning will go away and this will be greened out. So if you go to some website like Facebook, then Facebook has also SSL certificate, and here you can click over here and here go to the details and view certificate, and here you can see the Facebook is using SSL certificate which is provided by issued by the DigiCert. DigiCert is one of the organization which provides SSL certificate, and you can see the more details like valid from this date to till this date, issued by company's name, issued to which website, and all. You can find the more details. If you are keen to see these details, then you can find these details as well. So now here this is striked out, right, showing that this is not trusted SSL certificate. So that's why this is showing like that. This is just a warning. If I go to the Internet Explorer and if I type like http://localhost, and if I localhost colon 8080/web app and press enter, then I have this URL already I had used earlier, so that's why that did not show warning, that did not show warning. But if I close the URL and I open it, and if I type http://localhost 8080 web app and press enter, then this guy is showing there is a problem with this website security certificate. So showing that this is not a trusted certificate. If you hit some website and showing warning like this, then I will recommend you to don't proceed. But here we are very much aware, we have set it SSL certificate from JDK and doing for testing purpose. So you can choose this option, continue to this website, then you can navigate on this website. So that's it I wanted to discuss with you in this video tutorial. I hope you understood how we can set up SSL certificate on Tomcat. And one more thing I wanted to show you, if you want to set up SSL certificates by using something is called Open SSL. So this also, Open SSL is one of the certificate provider company, and for R&D purpose also you can set SSL certificate. So that provides some free versions of the software through which you can generate SSL certificate. So one of the website openssl.org, so you can download and you can set up SSL certificate using OpenSSL as well. So that's all I wanted to discuss in this video tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.